It's Monday, October 9th. I'm buying some SPY 430 puts here at 352. They're up to 358. Again, this is not a major trade or anything, but it's kind of had two pushes up here on the day. You got the shooter bar, so I'm looking for it to come down a little bit into this fair value gap, maybe even take out the lows again. What's unfolding here, it looks like to me, is after yesterday's big three bar or Friday's big three bar, we're inside of that right now. And we're not getting the momentum to the upside. In other words, the first bar didn't follow through strongly. We came down, took out some lows, then we bounced again. So it looks like this market, instead of getting momentum to the upside, wants to take out sell side liquidity before it heads higher in this choppy kind of environment. Even though we might, we're still heading. We have this weekly chart that has the hammer bar that looks to maybe get a 2-up week towards that target. We have some world events that are kind of throwing that off at the moment, but I still think we're heading up there till proven otherwise. So, the trend is up. And given the, I actually try to buy calls here, and then I broke even, and then I'm not surprised to see it take out the lows and then bounce up. So since we don't have the momentum to the upside here, I think we're looking to take out little short-term sell-side liquidity before heading higher, that type of environment. So even on the 5-minute chart, if I go to that, this is the most recent pivot low down here. There's a fair value gap in here on the 15-minute chart. So I could see in the market kind of coming down, taking out these stops, or even on the 1-minute chart, if you want to look at it, it's going to set up some pivots, maybe take out this one, something like that. This kind of failure here looks to be we're going to kind of head a little lower, and that's all I'm playing for in terms of a very short-term intraday trade. Given this kind of bar, two pushes up on the day, that might be the high of the day. We'll find out. There's still a target up here to those kind of pre-market highs, so I get that as well. But anyway, I'm just going to kind of play a little bit, just given that it's a tricky day overall, and I see the choppiness. I think, these moves up are not momentum moves, and I think the markets, people are looking to buy a little lower and or at least take out the sell side before heading higher. So let's see if that unfolds here on the 15-minute chart into the afternoon a little bit.